Cypress Tunnel. Ready? Go! Okay, that was it. Come on back now. That's it. Awesome. Great, come on back. That was great. That was great. Come on back. I'm not even kidding. Come on back. That was the greatest thing that's ever happened. That is a big, impressive tree. Look at this. So, I mean, I did my research. I guess I didn't. I just thought we'd have to pay to get into the Point Reyes National Seashore, but we didn't at all. There was no booth, no tickies. Mainly, I just checked all these websites to make sure things weren't closed and things were open. Like Drake's Beach might be closed because the seals are down there this time of year. But yeah, we just drove on in. So Point Reyes, we're hiking out to Chimney Rock. There they are. A little bit of a panorama, just a little. Hi, are those ships out there or islands?
They're islands, dum-dum.
Cam's recording the little muskrat varmints. Oh, look at this guy. He's like...
Look, he just buried it.
He's buried himself.
It's like there's people in this one.
There's seals down on this beach. I love Splash. Is he splashing sand on the guy next to him? Now that is a seashore. If I ever saw a seashore, that's a seashore. Watch out. No. Who's that lady? Sexy lady. Who's that lady? Lady? Lighthouse. Right, lady? Mm-hmm. She loves to be called lady.
Right.
There we go. All right. There it is.
Yeah. So they are migrating from the south, so we can usually track them all along.
Go. It's a race. 313 steps. Quit making lady carry all the stuff, guys. What kind of gentlemen are you? Who the hell raised you? Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about that. So that is not even a little bit of Point Reyes. There's so much hiking. Again, this is another spot you could spend days doing things. We're doing one last stop at South Beach, and then we're gonna skip Drake's Beach. The beach itself was closed due to the seals nesting or whatever they do. The lookout was probably open, but we're gonna skip that. We figured after being on the cliffs all day and looking down at the beach, we should come to the beach. There's a lighthouse down there. What do we got?
The beach.
What'd you do today? Tell me some things. What do you think? What do you feel? What do you see? What do you say? What do you know?
We walked a long time.
We walked a lot. Again.
Saw water and mountain.
Time to stretch before the drive.
My rock.
Yeah, sure. Show the camera.
It's a brown bean.
Groove is in the heart. Na.
Probably why pictures in. Those are cool.
It's a video. Say something. Dude, look at you. This is what it's come to since you can't find a basketball. The napkin works better than the rock at least. Oh, look out! Oh, I thought a rock was hurling at us.
Alright.
Alright, vandalism. Little babies. Little babies on the little playground. Sea level to 2,500 feet.